Hello, welcome to our company and product overview. My name is Danielle Thompson and I'm the Sales and Marketing Manager for Xanatos Marine. Over the next 10 minutes, I'll give you a brief overview to our company's history, a few projects we've been involved with, our Titan product line, and a sampling of our customers. We were founded in 1984 as Greenbelt Software and in 1996 changed our name to Xanatos Holdings. Also in 1996, we added Xanatos Consulting. In 1998, we added Xanatos IT, and in 1999, we added Xanatos Marine. Xanatos has a number of offices around the world, with our headquarters being in North Vancouver, British Columbia, Canada. Our other offices are in Mexico, Hong Kong, Thailand, and Nigeria. I'm sure that most of you are familiar with the IMO, but for those of you that are not, the International Maritime Organization is the world's governing body on the shipping and maritime industry. The IMO provides laws to which all maritime countries agree to, and this includes safety-related equipment such as AIS, which is one of the mandated carriage requirements. Getting to where we are today? Well, in 1998, under contract with the Canadian Coast Guard, Transport Canada, and the Western Marine Community, Xanatos began investigating AIS and how it would be implemented in Western Canada. This was done through 23 individual projects over a 4-year time span. The results of 3 of these papers were sent to IMO. IMO adopted these papers and instructed IALA to proceed in its investigation into this then new technology. Our findings were subsequently included on IMO's regulations on AIS. The image you see on your screen is copied from the IMO website showing the origins of AIS and giving the task to IALA to determine what and how AIS would be used. The second image is from the IALA website referring to one of 2 conferences on AIS that feature 3 papers from Western Canada. The next 2 images you see on your screen are from Transport Canada and the Canadian Coast Guard, verifying that it was Bill English, our president, and Xanatos that conducted these trials and wrote papers submitted to IMO. Because of these projects, Xanatos has had a number of industry firsts. We were the first to install a remote AIS base station. We created the first ECS based on AIS, we created the first VTS based on AIS, and we were the first to broadcast live environmental data over AIS frequencies. At Xanatos, we have a varied product line. Our Titan Sentinel, Coastal, A2N, and Viewer are designed for monitoring, tracking, and surveillance. Our Titan Voyager and Crewmate are ECS software for Class A and B vessels, while our Titan Seamate has a variety of hardware options for Class A and B vessels. So, how does it all work? We'll use the following image to show how the Titan Sentinel, Coastal, and Viewer gather information from the different sensors. We will assume that all vessels in this image have an AIS transponder and it is turned on. AIS signals have a maximum reach of 60 nautical miles. This information is sent over a radio frequency to an AIS base station. This base station takes the radio frequencies and sends the data through the internet to the VTS, where our Titan Sentinel, Coastal, or Viewer decodes the information and displays it on an easy-to-use screen. The same is done for CCTV images and radar images, displaying them all on one screen. The Titan products are able to display information from multiple base stations and sensors up and down a coastline. Titan Sentinel has been specifically designed for ports and other authorities who have a need to monitor vessels within their waters. It fuses data from multiple sensors, providing an integrated display system which allows users to have a single point of viewing in a clearly laid out fashion. The features you see on your screen are just a small sampling of what Titan Sentinel can do. It can measure distance between vessels, monitor for collision avoidance, isolate vessels for specific monitoring. This screen can be broken into 4 different windows for monitoring abilities. It has history replay, can integrate AIS, radar, CCTV, sonar, and satellite images. Let's look to the image on the right and see how AIS, radar, and CCTV are fused onto one screen. On the middle right, we have a vessel being monitored by AIS only, top middle, radar only, bottom middle, AIS and radar, and on the middle left, we have a vessel being monitored by AIS, radar, and CCTV camera. This vessel is shown on the pop-up window on the right. Titan Coastal is similar in features to Titan Sentinel, but is intended for long-range tracking and identification. Some of its features include history replay, geofencing, collision avoidance, and sensor fusion. The map on the right is a zoomed-out view of the southern BC coastline with vessels cruising its waters. Titan A2N works in addition to Titan Coastal and allows users to monitor their navigational aids. There are many features and benefits, including asset management. For example, users know the status of each of their buoys at a glance using a 3-tier system. Green, all is okay. Yellow, caution, service is needed soon. This would be when the number of burnt out lights hits a predetermined level or the battery is low. And red means problem. All the lights are out, the battery is drained, or the buoy is off course. This is great for reducing theft or retrieval after a storm. Also, this information assists in maintenance, so the user can efficiently schedule crews to attend only the navigational aids that need that maintenance. Titan Viewer is our subscription-based, web-based VTS and monitoring program. This is great for individuals such as a shipping agent or a larger entity such as a port that cannot afford the much larger VTS. The list of features is extensive, as is the potential client base. Some of the features include real-time vessel tracking and display, generating a vessel list, history replay, send and receive messages, automatic reporting schedules, target tracking windows. It can integrate with CCTV and radar, and you can access this from your mobile phone browser. Titan Voyager is our electronic chart system for Class A vessels. It clearly displays critical information that aids a mariner in their decision making. A few of the many features include displaying your own ship, ability to view all other AIS vessels, Class A and Class B vessels, with the ability to filter. It is able to integrate with AIS, radar, and CCTV, view environmental information, see other ships' speed and heading, has safety features such as ship in distress and man overboard, and you are easily able to see vessels carrying dangerous goods. Titan Crewmate is an electronic chart system designed for Class B vessels. It is based on our Titan Voyager software, but with a few less features. This product is great for pleasure craft and work boats. A few features for Crewmate include displaying your own vessel, the ability to view all other surrounding AIS-equipped vessels, ability to integrate radar, has the safety abilities of ship in distress, man overboard, along with being able to easily identify ships carrying dangerous goods. If you take a look at the image on the screen, you will see a yellow triangle with a red outline. This is how we mark vessels carrying dangerous goods. And of course, we include the course plotting software. Our Titan CMate hosts our hardware. All transponders we carry are internationally certified. We have a transponder for Class A vessels, Class B vessels, and a new transponder for Class B vessels with satellite capabilities. A small sampling of our customers for Titan Sentinel, Coastal, and Viewer include the Thai Police that use us for surveillance, the Alaska Marine Exchange, which runs one of the largest AIS networks in the world, OMS, Hong Kong Port, Kaohsiung Port, the Philadelphia, San Francisco, Portland, and Seattle Marine Exchanges, the Delta Police, who use our software to monitor the waters they are responsible for. A sampling of our Titan Voyager and Crewmate customers include the U.S. Navy, U.S. Coast Guard, Canadian Coast Guard, TECO Ocean Shipping, Seaspan, and the Indonesian Maritime Police patrol boats. I want to thank you very much for joining me today. Should you want any more information on Xanatos Marine and our product line, please visit our website or contact our Business Development Manager, Dave Thompson. His contact details are below. Thank you again, and I look forward to working with you in the future.